It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.
Hello, and welcome back to the Great Taylor C. Baker Show, where I am baking my way through the Great British Bake Off technical challenges in hopes to live up to my namesake and become a star baker. I have officially baked my way through the first season of Great British Bake Off. I may be somewhat closer to wearing the moniker of star baker, but I'm going to manifest this energy, channel it into the rest of my bakes, and I learned a lot from season 1, so I'm back with Taylor's 2-minute top tips and takeaways. This one should be fairly self-explanatory, and I'm very happy that despite my original warning at the beginning of this,
now in the show they're being timed on this, which is a big part of why it's so hard. I'm probably not going to put up a timer because when I bake quickly, I'm going to burn myself and cut myself, and maybe you want to see that, you weirdos. And it's probably going to happen anyway, let's face it.
I have not burned myself, knock on wood. I have not burned myself, cut myself, or had any dramatic accidents in the kitchen thus far, but there have been some casualties. Observe. Oh no, indeed. So be really careful and make sure if you break anything, if you have even the slightest semblance of thought that it may have made its way into your batter, just start over. It's not worth having pieces of ceramic cup in your batter. Just start over. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe. Tune in as I continue to post new episodes every Thursday, and I would love to invite you to bake along with me. And if you do, please tag me at Taylor C. Baker and use the hashtag BakeWithBaker. And I will follow along with all of your baking adventures as we bake through these things together.
It's the Great Taylor C. Baker Show.